Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of pressure washers with the Worx Hydroshot WG633E. Now, this little beauty right here is a game changer when it comes to portable pressure washers. It's lightweight, it's compact, and it's packed with features that make cleaning a breeze. But before we get into all the nitty-gritty details, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's start with the design and features. The Worx Hydroshot is powered by a rechargeable battery, meaning you can take it just about anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. And check out this 5-in-1 adjustable spray wand. It offers a range of spray patterns and pressure settings, giving you the flexibility to tackle any cleaning task with ease. Now, one of the coolest features of the Hydroshot is its ability to draw water from almost any source. Whether you're using a traditional hose, a bucket, or even a soda bottle, this thing can handle it all. Plus, with the included 6-meter hose, you've got plenty of reach to get the job done. But how does it perform, you ask? Well, I put the Worx Hydroshot through its paces, testing it on a variety of surfaces for cleaning power. And let me tell you, it did not disappoint. From washing cars to cleaning outdoor furniture, this thing handled it all with ease. And with decent battery life, you can tackle most cleaning jobs in a single charge. So, should you buy it? If you value portability and convenience, the Worx Hydroshot is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for light to medium-sized jobs, and its adjustable spray wand makes it a versatile tool to have in your arsenal. Well, folks, that wraps up our review of the Worx Hydroshot WG633E. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with this little powerhouse. If you're in the market for a portable pressure washer that doesn't skimp on performance, look no further. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy cleaning!